Welcome to the BridalLive video on how to remove a duplicate vendor. If you have a vendor that was accidentally added into your BridalLive more than once, you'll want to get rid of the duplicate so you can track this vendor on your reports more accurately. Or if you want to just combine vendors for any reason, you can use these steps to do so. First, we will want to hover over Inventory, select Search Vendors. I have two vendors in my BridalLive account for Ma Cherie Bridals, and I want to remove one of these accounts. To be able to tell my two accounts apart, I am going to add a 2 at the end of the vendor name and code. Save the vendor contact information. Now when you go back to Search Vendors, you will see your vendor name and the duplicate vendor name with a 2 at the end. Next, we will want to change all of our items associated with vendor 2. Let's go to Inventory, Search Items, and select your duplicate vendor with a 2 at the end of it. Mine is Ma Cherie Bridals 2. Then select Show All Entries. Select the top checkbox to select all of the items in your list, and then go to Bulk Actions, select Export to Excel, and say Yes to the prompt to export your items. This will download your Excel spreadsheet with all of the items associated with your vendor 2. Open the downloaded Excel file. You will want to update your vendor code column on your spreadsheet to the code for your correct vendor in BridalLive. In my example, I am going to change my vendor code from MCB2 to MCB. This way I can update the vendor for all of my items. Save your Excel file as a .csv or comma-separated values format. To update the items in BridalLive, we will want to hover over Inventory and select Search Items, and then select Import. Since we are updating items in BridalLive and not creating new items, we will want to change step number 1 from Create New Items to Update Existing Items, and then browse for your saved Excel spreadsheet and select Import Items. Your search items for your vendor number 2 should result in no items. Now we can go to Inventory, Search Vendors, and delete vendor number 2.